Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Real niggas watch chillin' with an L.
I'm just sitting here. I'm waiting on this vlog to finish uploading. It's the vlog that y'all are actually seeing last Sunday. So if you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch that now. Happy October, y'all. It is October 1st. New month, new beginnings, new goals, new everything. So this vlog, I'm really just gonna be resetting for the month because I've been in a slump lately, whether y'all know it or not. It kind of explains why that last video was only 10 minutes long, but I'm hoping to get better for this last little bit of 2023 because I don't know, like I hate feeling down, I hate feeling sad. Like I don't like depression and I don't like stress, and that's really what's been trying to come over me lately, but I can't do it, so I'm gonna stop myself while I'm ahead. Today is all about just resetting for the month, for the last couple little bit of the year. I'm gonna try to pick myself up, you know, take myself out, do some nice things for myself. Oh y'all, it's almost finished. It's finished. Really just getting everything back on track for the week most of all, but like I said, new month, clean slate, we're starting over. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first stop is gonna be Smoothie King because I want me a smoothie bowl today. Yeah, I want me a smoothie bowl today, so I'm finna go get me one. I haven't eaten anything yet anyway, so I figured the first line of business is gonna be a smoothie bowl. Please be kidding. Please be kidding. Always knew I was gonna yeah. We have made it. Hey. No, that's fine. It'll just be $13.42. Oh yes, thank you so much. We got the goods, you know, the usual, and I got extra peanut butter this time because I don't know, fruit and peanut butter is so good, y'all. So we are back in the car. I got my acai bowl. They call it a smoothie bowl, but it's still an acai bowl because it got acai base. If y'all are interested, because I get this a lot, I get the PB Swizzle bowl, and then I get extra peanut butter because, like I said, peanut butter and fruit is so good. And then I usually take the blueberries out because I don't really like blueberries that much, but I kept it this time because I've been eating strawberries like crazy. So yeah, I just need a little variety. So I'm finna go on crack into this, and I'm contemplating on if I should go to Five Below. It's like right across the way over there, but I don't know yet. We shall see. But I'm finna eat this. So good, y'all. And it be keeping me hydrated, and I feel really full after I eat it. But I also got some water because you can't go wrong with a little water. And yeah, y'all need to get on it if y'all ain't on it already. I'm telling you, it's good. All right, look at it. In Five Below now, we finna go in and see what they got. Oh, I forgot they pierce ears now. Hey. I came straight to the cake section because that's really all I come in Five Below for. But they don't really have much going on nowadays, so I probably will not be in here long. I was looking at this little tray thing right here, but I don't need it. Y'all, Five Below got so much pointless stuff. Like, you can literally come in Five Below just to come in here and get something stupid. If you want to spend your money on stupid stuff, come to Five Below. They got it for you. Hey, y'all, I got some cute little Halloween kind of decorations. And we got some shirts and stuff over here, too. Let me see. I don't know. I don't see nothing that I want to really get. Because the most I got in my car is like a little hanging thing on my windshield. I'm finna just go and get out of here because they don't really have nothing that I want. So I'm at the nail and makeup section, and I got these. I really wanted some French tips, like I said, but I don't know. I like the color of these. Like, it's white but clear at the same time, if that makes sense. And they're only $6.99, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get these. I've been meaning to get some more of these too. So yeah, this only $6.99. I really didn't want it that long, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and get these too. I'm in the electronic section, of course, because I forgot. That's embarrassing. But I'm in the electronic section, y'all. It's a case I've been wanting. Wait, no, that's not. Oh my God. It's on clearance. Oh my God, y'all. I've been wanting this case so bad. It's a Kate Spade case, and it matches my laptop case. But see, it was originally $60, right? And I wasn't gonna get it because that's just too high. But Kate Spade is high in general. My MacBook case was already $50. But it's Target Circle Week, and I'm a Target Circle member, so it's only $27.49. You're crazy if you think I'm not finna get this case because I've been wanting it so bad. So I'm gonna pick this up. Like, it's. Can I sit this down somewhere? Jesus Christ. This is the case. Like, look at how pretty that is. And then my MacBook case is leopard too. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get it because it's marked down. $60 to $27. Who finna pass that offer up?
A protection plan. There we go.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Alright.
Car and Apple Pay.
If you have Target rewards, you can enter or skip.
Oh, around Christmas we sell it a lot.
Why? Apple cider type stuff.
So I am out of Target. It's a little hot outside. Well, no, it's actually just hot in the car. But as y'all seen, I got a Starbucks drink. This is my first time trying this one. It's the mango dragon fruit refresher, and I added apple juice to it. So that is so good, y'all. I'm telling you. Yeah, with the drink, I also just got my nails, so I can do those. And then I just got my Kate Spade case that I've been wanting for so long. Y'all, this case was like $60, but it's marked down because it's Target week and I'm a Target Circle member. It's marked down for $27. So happy I finally got it, and I'm finna put it on actually because y'all, I've been wanting this case so bad. It's so pretty. This is how I look, in case y'all didn't see. Boom, boom, boom. Last time seeing it in the box. And we're gonna open it. Now, is there a logical grown up way to open this? So got a little pull tab. Boom. Case come right on out of there. Kate Spade, boom, boom, boom. Thank you for shopping. Oh, y'all, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, Lord. This is the case. MagSafe compatible, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna slip that bad boy on this black iPhone. Boom, boom, boom. And here you go. Other than that, though, I'm finna just go back home. Relax. I'm supposed to be getting on the game with my cousin. I say that every video, but we really have been on the game a lot, y'all. Get on the game with my cousin and just relax and wind down. It's been a great day. I feel really good. It just feels so good outside. Like, this is how I know I love fall, because every time it come around, I'm just so happy in the inside and out. But yeah. This is really good. Y'all try it. I'm in Dollar General now. I didn't go to the one I usually go to because the traffic by it is horrible. But I'm in this Dollar General. It smells like a pound of twerk that ass. I don't know who went and fucked up that bathroom like that. But they don't need to do that again. At all. Yeah, y'all, I'm so happy. I thought them pillows was finna be buy one, get one free. And they were $10 a piece. So I would have just ended up spending $10 for them. Tell me why I went in there. The pillows was marked down, first of all. I got both of them pillows for only $2.70. And then I got 3 World's Famous chocolate bars. So that made my total in all $5. Where do you know you can get pillows from for $2.70? Got a lot of them. Like, I would have got another one, but that's good enough. I just need a little something to go in my room. But I'm finally finna pack it up and go home for real this time. I am finally back home for good. Like, I'm done going out for the day. Other than that, that's really it from shopping, I guess. I don't know if we get on the game right now, but I'm probably finna... I'll probably wait and do my nails. I'm gonna wait and do my nails. Today is Wednesday, and that means it's campus day. So I'm getting ready to go up to campus now because I started my shift at home because I just didn't feel like driving up there earlier. But I'm just in here finna get dressed and go. Today has been a pretty good day. It's going by quick. I had a weird experience earlier, and let me tell y'all about it. So one of my people that called into my job, he sounded real handsome, real nice over the phone. And I'm like, I might have to get his number or something. So towards the end of the call, I was like, you know what? Yeah, I want to talk to him. So I get his number, I text him, and I was like, hey, you sound real fine, and boom, boom, boom. Because he did. So, yeah, I got his number. How about this was an NFL player, y'all? Like, everybody and their mama be calling up to my job. Because one time before, I got a call from a man that pulled Beyonce's wardrobe trailer. And then another man that worked for Tyler Perry. But an NFL player? But, yeah, basically... You know, we talked for a little bit or whatever, but I don't know. He just had a kind of cockish attitude because he was like, you Googled who I am? I'm like, no, should I? Because, why should I? I mean, I'm just thinking you a regular person calling in, you know, and you sounded fine, so I just, you know, got your number. But I didn't know you was an NFL player. I did that research on my own, but I didn't want him anyways because he wasn't my type, so. Now he's just sitting there, but... yeah, I'm finna get ready and catch y'all probably when I get back home. I don't think I'm bringing my camera to work today. Oh, so pretty. We are off work, y'all. I'm finna go get me some food, and then I'm going home because I got some stuff to do at home. Oh, that's loud. That's loud, bitch. I made it home. I was gonna go to Whataburger and get me a chicken sandwich combo, but with that pasta I had the other night, I went back there and I got me some more. So let me show y'all what I got. So this time, I just got regular chicken Alfredo. I didn't add anything extra. That's just how it looks when it comes. And then, I also just got a 5-piece boneless wing with a little ranch to go with it to wash it down. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat my food and watch some TV. I'm off tomorrow, but I'm starting a new vlog tomorrow, so I do want to close this one out though. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if y'all are aware, but we are slowly growing and growing every day, and I do appreciate who, you know, has been subscribed, has been watching me, who continues to watch me. Even though my life might seem boring, I love it. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.